Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by powering the unit down to force a mode reset. Remove the batteries and wait 30 seconds so the microcontroller discharges. This clears transient settings. While it sits, inspect and clean contacts with a 70% alcohol swab if corrosion or residue appears. Once clean and dry, insert 2 fresh AAA batteries, align polarity exactly, and close the compartment firmly. This sequence ensures the thermometer boots from baseline and prevents false readings or stuck unit settings before you change units. You now force the device into its configuration screen to switch units. After powering on, press and hold the power button and the memory or mode button simultaneously for about 5 to 8 seconds. This combination prompts the firmware to show the current measurement unit. When the display flashes F or C, tap the power or mode button once to toggle to the opposite unit. The change happens in firmware, so you must release the buttons when the desired symbol appears. Make sure to wait for a stable symbol before letting go. You finish by verifying the switch and handling common failures. After selection, take a quick reading, room temperature, or a water test so you can see the thermometer report in the chosen degrees C or degrees F. This proves success. If the unit refuses to change, repeat the power cycle and attempt the button hold with slightly different timing or install fresh batteries. If persistent, look for a factory reset sequence, extended 15-20 second hold, or contact Braun support. This resolves firmware lockups while preserving accurate readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.